Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APM Guide. In this video, we are going to discuss what is Pytest and how to install Pytest. Okay, so when you are installing the Pytest, we will consider two cases here. That is, installing the specific version and install the latest version. And in each case, we follow two approaches. Okay, we can install the Pytest by using two approaches here. That is by through PyCharm testing and through command prompt, that is a PyCharm terminal. Okay, both cases we will look into it, and in both cases we will follow two approaches here. Okay, so before installing the PyTest, we understand what exactly the PyTest all about. See, we have, as you know, we have JUnit and TestNG. These are the frameworks. Okay, so like that, PyTest is also a open source testing framework for Python that simplifies the process of writing and running the test. Okay, and it supports both unit test and complex functionality testing for the application. See, nothing but PyTest is nothing but an open source testing framework explicitly for the Python. Okay, and it supports both unit tests and complex functional tests. Okay, and it offers features like fixtures, parameterized test, grouping, and we can get the detailed error reporting also. Okay, and with PyTest, you can effectively test your code and ensure its reliability. Okay, this is the use of PyTest. And Python is nothing but a open source testing framework explicitly for Python. Okay, now we'll see how to install PyTest here. Okay, so first we'll go open the PyCharm Community Edition, and I want to install the first case one. See, if you see the case one, I want to install the specific version. Okay, how we can able to see it? The first approach is the going to PyCharm and setting menu. Okay, open this PyCharm and click on this icon and select this settings. Click on settings menu. Here under the Python, we have only one project here. So in under the Python, we have interpreter. Click on interpreter. Okay, here we have the plus icon. Click on this plus icon to install. And here just type PyTest. Okay, just select this PyTest here, and here we are installing the specific version. So you have to select the version ID here. So here we have these many versions here. So I want to install, which version will go for? I will go for 8.4.0. This version I want to install. Okay, select this one and click on install packages and click on close and click on OK. See, so sorry. Before installing it, I want to verify it. Okay, I want to cancel it here. So before installing the PyTest, I want to whether my PyTest is installed or not. Okay, so what I had to do, I had to just type PyTest version. Click on enter. So PyTest is already installed here. Okay, because I want to check it without installing the PyTest, what error message we get it. Okay, no, already we have selected there, so it install the PyTest here. So the version what we have installed is the 8.4.0. So just type PyTest space double hyphen version. Okay, so you get the PyTest here. So what I will do, I have installed the PyTest using PyCharm setting, right? And I have installed the specific version here. So what I will do, through PyCharm terminal, I want to install. Okay. So before that one, I want uninstall here. So what I will do, I'll go here to settings, set the settings, and here we have the PyTest here. Select this one and just say click on this minus icon and click on OK. So it will install the it uninstall the Pytest. Set time and same command I will run once again. That is a Pytest space double hyphen Watson. Now it has to error message here. Can enter. So you say because Pytest is not installed in our machine now. Okay. So we have installed the Pytest through PyCharm testing, PyCharm setting, and we have selected the specific version. Now in case one, we had done with the approach one. In approach two, we had to install here. Okay. That is to the PyCharm terminal. Go to the PyCharm here. So I want to clear this one, clear it, and I had to use the command pip and install space hyphen capital U. Okay. Here I had to type Pytest. Just type Pytest and we are installed the specific version. So double equal to 8.4.0. Okay, so you are installing specific version and I'm providing the version ID also here. So version ID also I am providing here. Okay, just click on enter. So it will install the specific version of Pytest. So it says successfully installed Pytest and hyphen 8.4.0. Whatever the version we have provided, it has installed successfully here. So now I once again run the Pytest space double hyphen version. Okay. So it provides the Pytest 8.4.0. Okay, this is one of the way, and I want to know what all the packages installed in my machine here. So I had to use one more command list. Here also it provides the list of packages which are installed with including the package name and the version. If you see here, we have the Pytest and version is the 8.4.0. Okay, so we have installed the specific version of Pytest, both approaches, that is by using the settings, okay, and by using the PyCharm terminal. So this case is done. Okay, so we are done with this case. Now we have to install the latest version and we follow two approaches here. Okay, go back to this one and I want to, before that one, I want to uninstall here. Okay, just click on this one, settings, and select the Pytest here. Click on this minus and click on OK. You can install the Pytest here. Okay, if you run once again the same command, PyList, or you say Pytest double hyphen version, it will throw a error message for us because Pytest I have uninstalled the Pytest here. So now I want to install once again here. Okay, so first approach, we go to this files, settings, and here we had to click on plus, and here you just type Pytest. Here we are not installing the specific version, so no need to select this checkbox. That is the specific version. Okay, just type the Pytest and select this one and click on install package. Automatically it will install the latest version. Click on close and click on OK. So automatically the PyCharm will install the latest Pytest version. Okay. So installation is done. Now I will run this command Pytest space double hyphen version. Click on enter. So the latest version is the 8.4.0. This is the latest version of Pytest. Okay. So we have installed the Pytest latest version by using the PyCharm files setting. Okay. Now we have to go for the second approach. Install the latest version by the PyCharm terminal. Okay. So for that one, we had to uninstall here. Go back here and select the files, settings, and here check for the Pytest here. Select it and uninstall here. Click on OK. So it will uninstall this one. Now, once again run the Pytest double-hyphen version. So it's no error message because Pytest is uninstalled. Okay, now I want to install the Pytest through the PyCharm terminal. So we have to use the pip install hyphen capital U Pytest. Previously, we have provided equal the version ID because we are installing the specific version of Pytest. Here, if we not provide this double equal to the version ID, automatically it install the latest version of Pytest. Click on enter. You download all the required library files here, and it says successfully installed Pytest 8.4.1 and verify once again. Pytest double-hyphen version provide the Pytest 8.4.1 and same I will check with the Py list. It provides the list of packages installed in my Python here. So you can just check it here. It provides the Pytest package name it is here and the version is the 8.4.1. Okay, this is how we can able to install the Py Pytest and we have installed we have seen the two cases installing the specific version and installing the latest version. In each case, we have seen the two approaches here. So through installing the PyCharm file settings and through PyCharm terminal. Okay, and we have seen in say case 2 we have seen install the latest version and here also we have followed the two approaches to install the Pytest. Okay, so and before that one, we have understand what exactly the Pytest and we have installed the Pytest here. So this is all about what exactly the Pytest and how to install the Pytest here. So if you like this video, please click on like button, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.